सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फाउंडेशन गुरुकुल बाय आर के झा चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to learn about the comparison of rational numbers. So first of all, we should keep the 2 points in our mind. It is clear that first point, every positive rational numbers are greater than 0, and second point is similar to this, every negative rational numbers are less than 0. Now, general method for comparing rational numbers. We adopt some steps in this method and finally we decide which rational number is greater. Step 1, make all the rational numbers denominator positive. Remarks if the denominator is negative, then multiply both the numerator and denominator by -1. Then we shall get the positive denominator. Second, step 2, take the LCM of the denominator step 3, express each rational numbers as LCM to their common denominator. Common denominator. Express each rational number in step 1. First of all, in step 1, we make all the rational numbers denominator positive, and after taking LCM of each denominator, we express each rational numbers as LCM to their common denominator. It means that we make their denominator equivalent to the LCM also. And now in step 4, the rational number having greater numerator is greater. It means the rational number which numerator is greater, then it will be the greater rational number. We learn through it by example. Which is greater? Question is, which is greater, minus 4 by 3 or 8 by 7? This is our question. How do we solve it? So first of all, we take the LCM, because first step is here the denominator of both the rational number is positive, so we use second step. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So minus 4 by 3 equal to minus 4 by 3, and we have to make its denominator equivalent to 21. So we multiply here 3 by 7. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 7. Then it becomes 28 by minus 28 by 21. And 8 by 7 equal to 8 by 7 into, we multiply 7 by 3, then it becomes 21. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 by 3 equal to 24 by 21. Here 24 is greater than minus 21. Therefore 8 by 7 is greater than minus 4 by 3. Right? Now we see the second example, arrange in ascending order. So first of all, in solution, first of all we make the denominators positive. The given rational numbers are, the given rational numbers are minus 3 by 4 and its denominator is minus 12. So minus 5 by 12 after multiplying by minus 1 by minus 1, and minus 7 by 16. LCM of, second step, LCM of 4, 12 and 16 equal to 48. You can Find out the LCM. 4, 12, 16 as 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16. Again divide it by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Next 2 1 ja 1, 3 and 2 2 ja 4. 3 1 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 and 2 as it is, and 2 and 1 ja. So now LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 3 ja 48. So here LCM equal to 48. Now minus 3 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 into 12 by 12, because 12 4 ja 48 equal to minus 36 by 48. Next minus 5 by 12. If we multiply 12 by 4 we get 48. So minus 5 by 12 into 4 by 4 equal to minus 20 by 48, and minus 7 by 16 equal to minus 7 by 16, and we multiply 16 by 3, then it becomes 48. So into 3 by 3 equal to minus 21 by 48. Minus 21 by 48. Now since we know that in negative number, as much the value, its actual value will be lesser. Suppose 36 is the larger number, but since it is a minus sign attached with it, so it has lesser value, and so minus 36 is the least, and minus 21 is the middle, and minus 20 is the greater. So while writing in ascending order, we write minus 36 by 48 is lesser than minus 21 by 48 is less than minus 20 by 48, or minus 36 by 48 is for rational number minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 is the least, is less than minus 7 by 16, minus 7 by 16, and it is less than minus 5 by 12, minus 5 by 12. Thus we have learnt comparison of rational numbers. So by this way you can compare and arrange in either in ascending order or in descending order. So for today our class is over, and you just go. So home assignment is complete exercise 1A from R.S. Agrawal. Book, right? This is part 2, and in the next class we shall learn about showing rational numbers on the number line. Okay, thank you.